Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious stew perfect for serving over rice. We'll start by selecting the best ingredients to build a strong flavor foundation. Choose a quality protein like beef, chicken, or lamb cut into 1.5-inch pieces. Then, gather aromatic vegetables such as 2 large onions, 3 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Finally, ensure you have a rich liquid like 4 cups of beef broth or a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Before we start cooking, proper preparation is key. Cut your protein into uniform 1.5-inch pieces. This ensures everything cooks evenly. Dice your onions, carrots, and celery into 1/2-inch pieces so they soften consistently. Don't forget to generously season your meat with salt and freshly ground black pepper. This initial seasoning is crucial for building layers of flavor in your stew. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much more enjoyable and efficient. Now, let's build those incredible flavors. Sear your seasoned meat in a heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat until it's deeply browned on all sides, about 5 minutes per batch. Remove the meat, then sauté your diced vegetables until they are tender, about 8 minutes. Deglaze the pot with 1 cup of broth, scraping up all the flavorful bits. Return the meat, add the remaining 3 cups of broth, the 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, and a bay leaf. Simmer gently for at least 1 hour and 30 minutes. To finish your delicious stew, you can thicken it by mixing 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water and stirring it in. Let it simmer for 5 minutes until thickened. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or herbs as needed. Remove the bay leaf. Ladle the hot, savory stew generously over a bed of fluffy white or brown rice. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley or chives. Enjoy your perfectly comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.